Hi, I'm Carla Ann, the car lady here at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, and I'd like to talk to you today about Smart City Brake Support. All right, the Smart City Brake Support is a safety feature. It should not be something you rely on day to day to keep you safe. It is a safety feature in most of our new Mazdas. All right, so you will find this in your infotainment center. So let's just take a look at that. Here's your infotainment center. We will turn it to the settings and go over to safety, and there you'll see it, Smart City Brake Support. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to mark the system. It is checked. So there, the system checked means that the system is on and activated. Now the warning distance and the warning volume, I'll talk to you about that in just a moment. What this Smart City Brake Support does is it's monitoring with radar the vehicles that are in front of you or any objects in front of you. And if you are, if that gap is getting too tight too quickly, that means that you're getting too fast to up against something that's not moving or moving too slowly. So the vehicle knows how fast you're going and it's going to give you a warning, and then if you do not stop, it's going to apply the brakes for you. That way it will hopefully avoid a collision or reduce the impact at least. So the Smart City Brake Support will be working at city speed. So somewhere between 15 and 40 kilometers, if you're traveling at that speed, that's when it's going to be notifying you. All right, now let's take a look at it again. You'll notice here, you'll have warning distance. Let's go up there. You can choose near. That means you can get closer to vehicles before it will warn you. You can have it at far, that way it will warn you at the farthest distance that it's measuring, or you can have medium. Now my personal preference, at least to get started, is to have it at far. That will give you some chance to decide, do you want to go around the object, do you want to change lanes, or do you want to slam on your brake? That warning will give you a little bit more time. Now the warning volume, you can see there that you can choose different warning volumes, high, low, or off. I would personally have this at high. You can choose what you like. If you are driving in traffic, for example, like the Toronto 401, where you have lots of bumper to bumper traffic, vehicles that are driving more closely, you might want to first of all have that at near and then have that on low, because you're probably going to be closer to vehicles than you would be, for example, in southern Manitoba, where you don't have the same kind of traffic. I would have it at high because this is a safety feature. So it is going to be warning you of impending collision. So I would, for myself, have it on high, but that is entirely your choice in this vehicle. You can choose how you'd like to have it set. I hope you never have to use that Smart City Brake Support, but if you do, I sure hope it keeps you safe. If you have any questions about how to use it or how to work with it or adjust it, please give me a call. My name is Carla Ann at Highway Mazda in Steinbach, 204-326-6437. Have a great day.